This video will show you how to construct the diminished chords. A diminished chord is constructed with 3 notes. This is known as a triad. In notation, the diminished chord can be shown by using the dim, or a small elevated circle next to the chord letter. In chord progressions, diminished chords feature as the 7 chord in a major key. When constructing chords, we often use numbers. These numbers refer to the 7 notes of the major scale. A diminished chord is constructed with the first or root note, the flat or minor third, and the flat or lowered fifth. You may see this written like this: 1, flat 3, flat 5. An easy way to remember this is as a minor chord with the 5th note dropped by a semitone or half a step. This is why it is sometimes known as a minor flatted 5th. If any of these concepts are confusing to you, then we have plenty of videos in the description below to help you. Let's use an example to clarify the diminished chord construction. The C major scale has the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B. The first note is C, third note is E, and the 5th note is G. These notes create the C major chord. If we drop the 3rd note by a semitone or half a step to E flat, then we create a C minor chord. If we take the C minor chord and drop the 5th note by a semitone or half a step to G flat, then we have a C diminished chord. You can hear how dissonant and harsh this chord sounds. They can also be difficult to play on the guitar. For these reasons, diminished chords are not often used in popular music without alteration. If they are used, it is usually as a passing chord to minimize the dissonant effect. This difficult but unique sound is always worth your consideration as a songwriter. The rare use of the diminished chord could help your song to stand out from the crowd. The foundation of songwriting is chord progressions, and with this playlist on screen you can learn all about them.